So here it is. Congratulations, you have completed lesson 2 for Crypto Zombie achievement unlocked. Hello Zombie has been upgraded to level 2. You have added no name and Cat Zombie to your army. Don't worry, you'll learn how to change her name in lesson number 3. Show off your crypto kitty slaver to your friends. Share the link. Let's see, last time it was not generated. Let's see it generate or not. No, it's not generating for some reason. Okay, no problem. Here you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. uh, you can join Telegram also, and you can find the source code of these lessons on GitHub repo. So that's it from the chapter number lesson number 2. Let's move on to in next series. I will going to cover the next lesson. So thank you very much for now. Let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you.